How to lock a Netflix profile with a password on an iPhone. Users often like to lock their profile with a password so that there's an extra step of security for people trying to get into their Netflix profile. If you'd like to do this, you can first open up Netflix.com in a browser, and in the top right-hand corner of the screen, select Sign In to sign into your Netflix account. Once you're signed into your Netflix account, you'll be brought to the Netflix homepage. In the top left-hand corner of your screen, select the menu icon, and then select Account. From your account page, scroll down to find Profile and Parental Controls. Then from the list of profiles under your account, select the one that you'd like to lock. As you can see, under Profile Lock, it's currently set to off. If we want to turn on our profile lock, you can select Change on the right-hand side. Then enter your account password to begin editing your profile lock. Once you have your password entered, click Continue. If you'd like to lock your profile with a password, you can check off to require a PIN to access your profile. Enter the PIN that you'd like to use into the field. You can also select to require the PIN to add new profiles to the account. Once you have all of your details entered, click Save. Your profile has now been locked, and if we attempt to use our profile in the Netflix mobile app, you can see a little lock icon just below our profile to indicate that the profile is locked. If we select the profile, we'll be required to enter a PIN in order to gain access to the profile. So if we enter the PIN that we just created, we now have access to our profile and can begin watching movies and TV shows within Netflix. And that's how to lock your Netflix profile with a password on an iPhone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.